Your liver could be quietly failing, and you may not feel anything serious yet. No sharp pain, no emergency, just small signs your body is trying to warn you about every single day. And the scary part? Most people ignore these signs until it's too late. In this video, I'll show you 5 silent warning signs of liver damage and simple, natural ways to protect your liver before things get worse. Stay till the end because sign number 5 is often mistaken for something completely harmless. Your liver is one of the hardest working organs in your body. It detoxifies chemicals, processes nutrients, balances hormones, and filters your blood. But when it starts to struggle, the symptoms are often subtle, and that's why liver disease is sometimes called a silent killer. Let's go straight into the signs. Sign 1. Constant fatigue. Do you feel tired all the time, even after resting? This is not just stress. When your liver is not functioning properly, toxins build up in your blood. This affects your brain and energy levels, making you feel constantly drained. Natural support. Drink enough water. Reduce alcohol and processed foods. Add bitter foods like bitter leaf, scent leaf, or green vegetables. Sign 2. Yellowing of eyes or skin, jaundice. If you notice a yellow tint in your eyes or skin, take it seriously. This is called jaundice. It happens when bilirubin builds up in your body because the liver cannot process it properly. This is a clear medical warning sign, not something to ignore. Important, at this stage you should seek medical evaluation immediately. Sign 3. Abdominal pain or swelling. Pain or discomfort on the right side of your upper abdomen can point to liver inflammation. In more serious cases, fluid may start to accumulate in your abdomen, causing swelling. This is called ascites. What to do? Reduce salt intake, avoid alcohol completely, get proper medical assessment. Sign 4. Dark urine and pale stool. Your urine and stool can reveal a lot about your liver. Dark urine may mean excess bilirubin. Pale or clay-colored stool may indicate poor bile flow. These changes are often ignored, but they are important early warning signs. Sign 5. Easy bruising and itchy skin. If you notice you bruise easily or your skin is constantly itchy without a rash, your liver may be struggling to produce proteins needed for blood clotting and to remove toxins from your bloodstream. This leads to increased bruising, persistent itching. Many people treat this as a skin problem, but the root cause may be internal. How to protect your liver. The good news? Your liver has the ability to heal if you act early. Simple steps. Drink enough water daily, avoid excessive alcohol, cut down processed sugar and fried foods, eat liver-friendly foods like garlic, turmeric, leafy greens, fruits like lemon and apple. Maintain a healthy weight. Exercise regularly. Your body always gives you signals. The question is, are you paying attention? If you noticed any of these signs, don't panic, but don't ignore them either. Take action early and protect your liver before serious damage occurs. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Nature Fuel Wellness for more simple, science-backed health tips and start taking control of your health one step at a time.